गैस इंडिया एक्सपो 2024 का आगाज इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में हुआ। इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रदर्शनी और वर्ल्ड गैस समिट का उद्घाटन इंडियन ऑयल कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड के गैस कार्यकारी निदेशक संदीप जैन और भारतीय प्रदर्शनी सेवाओं के निदेशक स्वदेश कुमार ने किया। इस मौके पर आयोजक स्वदेश कुमार ने ग्रेनो न्यूज से खास बातचीत की और गैस इंडिया एक्सपो 2024 के बारे में विस्तार से बताया।
बेसिकली गैस इंडिया एक्सपो एक इंटरनेशनल एग्जीबिशन है जो फोकस है गैसेस के ऊपर, जो नेचुरल गैसेस, एलएनजी, पीएनजी, सीएनजी, इंडस्ट्रियल गैसेस, मेडिकल गैसेस, एनी टाइप ऑफ गैसेस के ऊपर हम लोग ये एग्जीबिशन को फोकस किया है। और इसमें गैस के प्रोडक्शन में, प्रोसेसिंग में, रिफाइनरीज में जो इक्विपमेंट्स, टेक्नोलॉजी यूज होती है वो सब हम यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हुआ है। ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड से यहाँ पे एग्जीबिटर्स आए हुए हैं, करीब 100+ एग्जीबिटर्स पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं इस एग्जीबिशन में। एंड इसके साथ हम लोगों ने एक वर्ल्ड गैस समिट भी रखा है जिसमें गैस की प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेसिंग के जो कोर इश्यूज हैं और क्या नई टेक्नोलॉजी, क्या नए प्लांट इसमें लग सकते हैं, उन सब के ऊपर हम वर्ल्ड गैस समिट में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं।
तो ये जो आपका एक्सपो है और गैस इंडस्ट्री हुई या सस्टेनेबल एनर्जी हो, उसके लिए किस तरह से हम कहेंगे लाभदायक होगा ये एक्सपो?
हाँ, बेसिकली जैसे मैंने कहा, हमने इसमें हर तरह की गैसेस को कवर किया हुआ है, चाहे वो सीएनजी हो, एलएनजी हो। और आज आपको जैसा आप जानते ही हैं कि आने वाला जो युग है वो सस्टेनेबिलिटी का है, जिसमें हम लोग सीएनजी या एलएनजी का ज़्यादा यूज करके अपने एनवायरनमेंट को सेव करेंगे। तो ऐसे प्रोडक्शन प्लांट हमारे यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं और एज ए बायर भी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं। दूर दूर से एग्जीबिटर्स और विजिटर्स इसमें आए हैं, करीब 20,000 विजिटर्स इसमें आने की उम्मीद है।
नाम बता दें।
दिस इज बलराम गुप्ता, आई एम द एग्जीबिशन मैनेजर ऑफ द Indian Exhibition Services, and we are organizing the Gas India Expo. This is the international exhibitions on all the gas industry manufacturers company. This is the focus on all the LNG sectors and their manufacturing product technologies, machinery processing company who are dealing in the gas sectors. And this expo is focused on the purely manufacturer based exhibitions. This is the B2B exhibitions, and that cover the entire process technology for the gas sectors. And here is the participants major gas manufacturer is the Raigad oxygen gas companies who are dealing in the oxygen gas supplying in the hospital sectors and the other sectors. And there are the Pactherm India Private Limited. This is the German based company. He is representing here the Indian company, the Pactherm India Private Limited. They are doing the gas processing equipment machinery company who are supplying the hospital sectors. So various gas equipment manufacturing company who are supplying the oxygen cylinders, they are participating here, and that is the more important to us to develop the gas expo in the India. Thank you.
वर्ल्ड गैस समिट 2024 का उद्घाटन करते हुए इंडियन ऑयल कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड के गैस कार्यकारी निदेशक संदीप जैन ने क्या कुछ कहा, सुनते हैं।
Which is its second edition, and this event, though it's a very new event, but I understand that it is growing by leaps and bounds. I just had a round of exhibition hall. There are more than 70 stalls which are there, and I mean, whosoever is connected with gases, I can see them there, and the technological interventions which are very much required in gas industry. This is a place where you can actually network, meet each other, collaborate, and form strategic partnerships. And this event also will definitely help in spreading the awareness amongst the masses, because it will be adequately covered by media also. And as far as natural gas is concerned, this awareness is very much required for the country at least. Well, if we talk about the mantra of this event, the main theme, which is a gas-based economy, that is what something which our Honorable Prime Minister has visualized. In his vision, we need to take the percentage of gas in the entire energy basket from 6% to 15%, which is very apt in today's scenario. In fact, the country is growing at a very brisk pace. India has grown by 8.2% in GDP last year, and this year also it is expected to grow by more than 7%. And when the countries they grow, when they develop, they need a lot of energy. And unfortunately for India, it is an energy-starved country. We don't have our own resources in abundance. And that's how the actual pillars of this mantra, which is the theme of today's discussions, that is abundance, availability, affordability and acceptability. Very apt four pillars which have been, the organizers have been very thoughtful of deciding about all these four pillars. Because as we are moving forward, the energy security becomes paramount for this country. And we have a parallel goal of net zero ambitions. Already our Honorable Prime Minister has announced net zero by 2070. Individual companies have also declared their own targets within the country. So there lies the dilemma or trilemma, whatever they call you. I mean, at one side we are a developing country, we need a lot of energy, and when we talk about energy, it is basically the fossil fuels which are giving you the maximum inputs as far as energy is concerned, and the other side, we have our own net zero ambition. The sustainability part becomes very important for us.
Rohit Priyadarshan, Greno News.